Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and that little bell so that you never miss a video. Today, I'm excited to share this adorable pumpkin wreath. I used a digital file by jamieandjen.com. I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. Now, I did not do a tutorial for this project because it is quite easy. However, I will show you how to put together one of the pumpkins. Before we review this in detail, let me show you the paper that I used. The paper collection that I used is called Thankful Heart. This is by Recollections, and I purchased this last fall. I love the beautiful watercolor effect on the top and these fun fall colors, as well as the integration of this fun mint green, sage, and cream colors. This collection also has a number of pages with the gold foil detail in it. This is my wreath, and I just love the way it turned out. This measures 8 inches, which is the smallest size that you could make this. However, you could scale it to be larger, I believe up to 11.5 inches, which is what the standard Cricut size mat will hold. I made this small because I'm gifting it to my sister who recently started a new job, and I thought this would be perfect to set on the corner of her desk or on a bookshelf. On the top here, I have integrated these fun fall acorns and berries. We've got these little pine cones. There are 6 pumpkin boxes. Now you can choose to fill each of these boxes, or you can do what I've done, which is just seal them at the top. I don't plan to open any of these. I have these fun fall sprigs throughout, and in the center I used one of these signature pages in the paper collection, and the sentiment says, "Be kind, be thoughtful, be genuine, and be thankful." I think these watercolors look so beautiful on these pumpkin boxes. Now you can also use the traditional orange colors to make the pumpkins, or fun Halloween colors. In the digital file, you will receive the individual pumpkin boxes, as well as these little fun coils here and the decorative pieces for the stem. You'll also receive the wreath. Let me show you what the side looks like. You can see that these are fairly sizable boxes, and again, you can scale them up or scale them down. If you were doing this for Halloween, you certainly can put fun candy inside. And this is the back. Now I do have a piece of solid chipboard here. However, if you were creating a traditional wreath and you wanted the center to be open, you could do that. I've decided to cover the back because I am displaying this beautiful sentiment here. Now let me show you how to make the pumpkin boxes. I have a piece of black cardstock here just as a background because the pumpkin that I've cut out is in white cardstock. This is the shape that makes the pumpkin. Simply grab the 2 pieces that have the stem. You want to feed it through the first slot, feed it through the second slot, and voila, there's your little pumpkin box. And as you can see, it's pretty sizable. You can fill it with candy, and that would make a nice Halloween gift or a fall gift. This concludes my review of my pumpkin wreath. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you and your family a wonderful fall with many blessings. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.